Section 9, number 6, it says to graph the image of the figure using the transformation, and these are all rotations, okay? So I'm going to move it down a bit here so we have problems to work on, room to work on these problems. And I want you to understand it is always best here to just remember the rotation rules, okay? And the rotation rules, the major ones are here. So the first one, it is a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. So I'm just going to grab that there. Then the next one, it is a rotation 90 counterclockwise. That is the same thing of saying 270 clockwise. And then the last one, it is your 180 degrees. So there you go. So I have the rules already for each. So all we have to do is get the original, and then we can just apply the rule. Okay, so the original Q, it is the point 0 comma -1. J, it is 1 2 3 4 5 -5 comma 1 2 3 -3. And H, it is -1 2 3 -3. 1 2 3 4 5 -5. Okay, all right, now we want to undergo a rotation of a 90-degree clockwise. So Q prime, let me make this red. Okay, it is what? All right, so it looks like the values flip-flop and the original X got changed. So it flip-flop, so -1 comma 0. And then the X is now changing sign. Nope. Okay, so I can write this in English if it helps you. Okay, you flip the X and Y, and then the original X change sign. Okay, that is what we are doing. Okay. All right, let's take a look here. The next one, okay, J prime. So we have flip-flop -3 comma -5. The original X was a -5, so now it's going to be a +5. Okay, now we look at H prime. It is -5 comma -3. The original X, which was a -3, it becomes a +3 now. Okay, all right, so this now allows us to graph. Q prime is -1 comma 0. This is going to be Q prime. J prime is -3. 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is J prime. And H prime, it is -5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 1 2 3. There you go, H prime. And there you go, you can now connect it. All right. So we only got this based on the rules. All right. Let's do the 90 degrees counterclockwise, which is the same as saying 270 degrees clockwise. All right. So let's just write what this means in English, okay? This means in English that we flip the X and Y values, and then the original Y value changes sign. Okay. All right, so let's just grab all the originals first. So F is -1, 1 2 3. H, it is -1, comma -2. M is right here, 1 2 3 4, -4, comma -2. And B is the value of 1 2 3 4 5, -5, comma 1. All right, so these all undergo a transformation of a rotation of a 90 degrees counterclockwise. And F prime, we flip-flop these X and the Y's. So 3, -1, and the original y, which was your 3, becomes a negative now. Okay. Next, we have the h prime. Okay, we flip-flop, so this is -2, comma -1. And now the original y, it changes sign. So this was a -2, becomes a +2. Okay. Your m prime, we flip-flop, which is -2, comma -4. But now it's a +2. Okay. Last one. The b becomes b prime. We flip-flop, so it's a 1, comma -5. That 1 was originally positive, now it's a negative. All right, let's plot these points. F, it is -3, 1, 2, 3, -1. So this is F prime. H, it is +2, comma -1. So this is H prime. M, which is +2, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, M prime. And B prime, it is -1, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now we can just connect it. So that is there, that is there, that is there, that is there. That does not look right. Okay, let me double check something, okay? Oh, okay, I saw my mistake. It's this. This was in the wrong spot. I put it at -1. It should be right here at -2. Okay, so there should be an extension right here. So this should be here, and this should be better like that. Yeah. Okay. And then these lines should still be here. All right. All right. It should look something like that. All right, that looks much better. So I got the coordinates correctly. I just drew it wrong. All right. Okay. Let's look at C. All right, and here the rules are just. Oh, it looks like we just changed the sign on both X and Y. Okay, that is what it looks like we are going to do. Okay. All right. So let's just grab the original points here. H is -2, comma 1, 2, 3, -3. F is -1. This is 0, 0 here. Okay. -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, comma -5. U is 1, 2, 3, 4. -4, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5. All right. So these all undergo a rotation of 180. So H prime, it is now just the same, but now they're all positive. Okay. All right. F prime, it is the same as before, but now they're all positive. Negative becomes positive. U prime was originally negative, so now they're all positives. All right, so let's just graph it. All right, -2, 3, -2, 3. This is H prime. 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here, and this is F prime, and U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is U prime. We can now connect it. All right. Here, here, and here. All right, so there you go. That is your rotation of 180. This took the longest because, again, you have to grab the original point, remember the rule, then graph the new image.